The confirmation of charges hearing for the Dominic Ongwen case started on Thursday, 21st January 2016 at the International Criminal Court in The Hague. On the 25th and 26th January 2016, the defense of Dominic Ongwen presented evidence, witness statements, intercepted radio communications, and intelligence reports and their comments on the prosecution evidence, asking the chamber to dismiss all charges. Domenic Ongwen, alleged Brigade Commander of the Sinia Brigade of the Lord's Resistance Army, LRA, is charged with war crimes and crimes against humanity committed during attacks against the civilian population in Lukodi, Pajule, Odek and Abok IDP camps between October 2003 and June 2004, murder and attempted murder, torture, cruel treatment and other inhumane acts, enslavement, outrages upon personal dignity, pillaging, and destruction of property. Further, the prosecution alleges that from at least 1st July 2002 until 31st December 2005, Dominic Ongwen, Joseph Kony, and the other Sinia Brigade commanders were part of a common plan to abduct women and girls in northern Uganda that were then used as forced wives and sex slaves, tortured, raped, and made to serve as domestic help, and to conscript and use children under the age of 15 to participate actively in hostilities. Crispus Ayena Odongo, Principal Counsel, took to the floor first and described Dominic Ongwen as a child who was abducted by the LRA, forced to accept the rules and customs of the LRA, and commit crimes under duress.
Dominic Ongwen was an innocent child without the least propensity towards violence or lawlessness. And this has been clearly recorded by journalists, scholars, and those who cared to study the history of Dominic Ongwen, the child before his abduction. Therefore, Mr. President and Your Honors, if Dominic stumbled, it was all caused by the evil hands of Joseph Kony and his commanders, who left him with the devil's choice in many of the crimes he's charged with by the prosecutor before this court. I say Dominic Ongwen, Your Honors, was left with the devil's choice because in captivity and in the circumstances that he found himself in, it was a matter of choice between either compliance or certain death. Ongwen chose the latter.
Mr. Odongo further said that his client tried to escape numerous times and opposed Joseph Kony as he was promoted through the LRA ranks.
Defense will show that on many occasions, Dominic Ongwen attempted to escape, but was not able to escape because of the special attention that Joseph Kony gave to him. As a matter of fact, it is on record that he made contacts very early in the day with General Salim Saleh, the brother to His Excellency President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, and a premium stakeholder in the government of Uganda with a view to surrendering. This earned him severe corporal punishment and long prison terms. As a matter of fact, from that date, Kony never trusted Dominic Ongwen again and surveilled him in all his activities and put spies all around him all the time. In or about 2003, he contrived an escape plot with 2 others. He narrowly escaped death by the mercy of God, but was seriously tortured on the orders of Kony and Oti, who invited him from his camp to Kitgum.
The confirmation of charges hearing continued with the final observations of the Office of the Prosecutor, responding to arguments raised during the hearing by the legal representatives of victims and the defense.